All right, number 11, we want to determine the equation to be solved after we rewrite it without logs, and then we're going to solve the problem. Okay, so notice that all of these have log base A. Okay, so we're going to use the property here that says same base subtraction. We're going to write it as division. So I'm going to do that first. I'm not going to write the original problem down. I'm just going to start from combining phase. So on the left hand side we have log base A, and then we have a division bar. So what's on top will be x minus 3, and what's on bottom, because after the minus, will be x plus 14. So that's on the left side. On the right side, we're going to do the same thing because we have log A minus something else. So we're going to have log base A of x minus 8 on the top, and then on the bottom we're going to have x plus 5. Okay, now that we have two single log expressions, same base, we can ignore those and focus on this. So we have a rational expression, x minus 3 over x plus 14 equals x minus 8 over x plus 5. So this is the expression that we're going to have to solve without logs. So we'll write it like that. X minus 3 over x plus 14 equals x minus 8 over x plus 5. All right, now we're going to solve it. So we're going to cross multiply, bring the bottoms across, multiply this, so we'll have x minus 3 times x plus 5, and then over here we will have x plus 14 times x minus 8. All right, so we got a FOIL. So this will give us x squared plus 5 minus 3, so that'd be a positive 2x minus 15 equals x squared minus 8 plus 14 will give us a positive 6x, and 14 times 8, that'd be 80 plus 32. So I'm doing 10 times 8 and 4 times 8. 10 times 8 will give us 80, and then 14 times 8 will give us 32. So 80 and 32 will give us 112, but it'll be negative. So negative 112. Let's verify just to make sure. We will do 14 times 8, 112. Okay, looks good. All right, so once we do this, we're going to move everything to the left side. So I'm going to be subtracting x squared, subtracting 6x, and then adding 112. So subtracting x squared, I was thinking quadratic. I may not need to move everything, but we'll have to move something back. Minus 6x and then plus 112. All right, so everything over here will go to 0. So this right side is 0. X squared goes to 0. Here will give us a negative 4x, and then here will give us a positive 97 plus 97. All right, so we got to isolate x. Let's move it back over there to make it positive. So we're going to add 4x. That will give us 97 equals positive 4x, and then we would divide by 4. So they give us 97 divided by 4 equals x. Don't think that will reduce. 16. I think we'll just leave it as 97 divided by 4.